Your 80 words per minute unseen dictation will start in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, start.
The youth of a nation constitute its most vibrant, energetic, and dynamic asset, acting as the primary engine for social, economic, and political transformation. They represent the future leadership, innovation, and intellectual powerhouse capable of driving a country toward comprehensive advancement and global prominence. Nation building is a complex, continuous, and multifaceted process that requires the collective dedication, modern skills, and progressive vision of the younger generation. The infamous spiritual leader Swami Vivekananda firmly believed that the future of a country depends entirely on its youth, emphasizing that their character, determination, and muscle power can move mountains. Empowering this segment is thus a prerequisite for national prosperity. In the contemporary, knowledge driven global economy, the role of youth in fostering technological innovation, scientific research, and industrial enterprise is highly paramount. Young minds possesses a natural inclination toward adaptability, creative problem solving, and digital literacy, enabling them to construct groundbreaking solutions for systematic challenges, from stabilizing dynamic startups that generate widespread employment to conducting advanced research in renewable energy, healthcare, and artificial intelligence. The younger generation acts as a catalyst for sustainable economic development by actively engaging in skill development programs and higher education. They enhance the nation's productivity, transforming the country into a highly competitive manufacturing and services hub globally. Moreover, the youth play an indispensable role in pioneering radical social reforms, eradicating deep rooted evils, and fostering community harmony. Throughout history, young activists have been at the forefront of major movements challenging obsolete traditions, gender inequality, caste discrimination, and deep seated institutional corruption. Armed with a modern, inclusive, and egalitarian mindset, today youth utilize digital platforms and physical campaigns to spread awareness about environmental preservation, sanitation, and fundamental civic duties. Their proactive participation in non-governmental organization and local community service ensures that welfare initiatives reach the marginalized section, building a highly compassionate, cohesive, and progressive social fiber across the entire nation. In the political arena, the constructive engagement of the younger population is absolutely vital for strengthening democratic institutions and ensuring transparent governance. When educated and ethically conscious, young citizens actively participate in electoral processes, cast informed votes, and enter mainstream politics. They introduce fresh perspectives into policy making. Youth leadership brings a sense of urgency, vitality, and accountability into administrative systems, moving the political discourse away from polarizing rhetoric toward tangible development issues like education, employment, and healthcare infrastructure. Their active voice acts as a powerful check against administrative stagnation, ensuring the democratic institutions remain highly responsive to the evolving needs of the populace. However, to fully unleash the immense potential of the youth for nation building, the state must address several critical bottlenecks, most notably in education and employment. It is imperative that the government provides universal access to high quality technical education, vocational training, and entrepreneurship incubation facilities. When the younger demographic is left uneducated, underskilled, or unemployed, their unchallenged energy can easily degenerate into frustration, radicalization, antisocial behavior, and substance abuse. Therefore, formulating robust national policies that guarantee equitable economic opportunities and foster an ecosystem of meritocracy is an absolute necessity to convert this demographic segment into a highly productive workforce. Furthermore, cultivating a strong sense of national intergeneration, patriotism, and constitutional morality among the youth is essential for maintaining sovereign unity in a vast, diverse country like India. The youth must act as bridges across cultural, linguistic, and regional divides. Through national exchange programs, sports tournaments, and collaborative academic ventures, young people from different regions learns to celebrate diversity while working toward common national objectives. When the younger generation internalizes values of mutual respect, secularism, and democratic tolerance, they insulate the country from internal security threats, communal polarization, and divisive tendencies, reinforcing the foundational motto of unity in diversity. Additionally, the role of youth extends beyond domestic borders as they act as the country's cultural ambassadors on a global stage, whether representing the nation in international sports competitions like Olympics, participating in global climate summits, or contributing to multinational scientific collaborations. Young achievers project a modern, confident, and resilient image of their motherland. Their excellence in international forums enhances the soft power, strategic leverage, and diplomatic prestige of the country by embracing global competencies while remaining deeply rooted in their cultural ethos. They demonstrate that the country's youth are fully prepared to navigate and lead the modern, interconnected world. In conclusion, the youth are not merely the passive recipients of national development, but the active architects, builders, and custodians of a country's destiny. The dream of achieving a completely developed, self reliant, and socially just nation can only materialize when the energy of the youth is strategically harnessed, properly educated, and ethically directed. As our great country marches forward with confidence, let every young citizen pledge to work with absolute integrity, discipline, and dedication in their respective domains. By collectively channelizing this unstoppable youth power toward constructive national goals, we can ensure that our nation achieves unprecedented heights of prosperity, harmony, and global leadership. Full stop.